Hi there guys, Michael here. Do you have trouble lining up cells in Excel in big worksheets? So here's an example of a bigger worksheet, and there's quite a few columns, and when we're trying to line up the order ID versus the customer rating, you can see that they're quite far apart and it's difficult to line up. So if you're looking at number 17, it's hard to see that the rating is number 2. So here's a quick tip. So what we can do is, if you click on View, and then you click on Focus Cell, whichever cell you select, it highlights the column and the row. So when we click on another cell, it automatically changes the column and the row that's been highlighted. And if you don't like the color green, what we can do is click on this little drop down arrow and you click on the color and we can select another color. So this is what it looks like in blue. So I thought green looks okay, so we go back to the drop down arrow and we select the green color again. Hope this comes in helpful, and if you want more videos like this, click the subscribe button. See you in future videos. Bye.